Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Mei Zhang from School of East Asian Studies, University of Sheffield. I'm running China-UK seminar series for Sheffield Confucian Institute. This is my privilege to join host this event with Office of Confucian Institute, Peking University, Institute for Global Cooperation and Understanding, Peking University, Research and Development Center of Kunqu Opera, Peking University.
I'm very pleased to be here, and it's a privilege to have the opportunity to speak to esteemed colleagues and to hear musical performances across the world with China. So now I'll talk about Time Bends in the Rock with piano trio, guzheng and piano trio. And this piece was made possible by the very important work that I did with Zhang Xu at the beginning, and again, this exploration of the instrument. But when I brought it together with the piano trio, I had very specific questions. So first of all, how does the guzheng enrich the piano trio? What does it bring?
Admittedly, when Professor Chen Jun invited me to this event, I expressed concern given the limits of knowledge. With Professor Chen Jun's encouragement, I reflected on this. I realized my very first intuitive response actually derived from a type of binary thinking, opposing the West and the East. Given the huge impact of globalization, crossovers between different cultures are now prominent in the arts. Indeed, the incorporation of Eastern elements into contemporary Western music has altered the landscape of the Western tradition.
I would like, first of all, to thank the performers for their beautiful performances. It reminded me today, listening to guzheng, what a calming effect this instrument has, the sound has, and the first performance with the guzheng and the singing just reminded me of the very the way that the guzheng can be a very simple instrument and related to vocal expression, and this interested me very much. So I learned a lot from all the other speakers today, and I'm very grateful for being part of this event.